In the weather department this week, we're enjoying a long stretch of really pleasant kind of weather. Our temperature right now, 66 in New Orleans, blue skies with a little bit of cloud cover here and there, but overall beautiful day. We have mainly 60s north of the lake near the coast and off to the southwest around Thibodaux and Homa as well. Our winds are not very strong, mostly from the west, and they will be coming more southerly in the next couple days, and that'll bring up, you can feel a little bit more warmth and slightly more humidity too, but not bad humidity, I would say. This afternoon looking almost perfect. We get to about 70 and then we just drop off through the 60s for the evening. And we are looking at satellite and radar just with that surface high off to the north. If you look closely, you can see a few of these clouds gently drifting from the west to the east southeast. And that's about all that we have. So today highs again near 70, a little warmer than we have been. And then tonight we're looking for lows mostly 40s north and close to 50 south of the lake. The one thing tonight that we will have to watch for is some fog, maybe a few areas of fog overnight and early tomorrow. Here's our model with precision cast showing that fog formation, not for everywhere, but just a heads up, tomorrow morning we might see a bit of that patchy fog right around sunrise perhaps. Moving through the day, though, on Wednesday, looks almost perfect. This is your afternoon tomorrow. We will be in the lower and middle 70s for tomorrow afternoon, so a little bit more of a warm up. And then this takes us into Thursday. We're looking for a few more clouds. Still, I think breaks of sun for sure, but clearly more cloud cover. And then also a kind of breezy, warmer, humid setup. Our highs may even be in the upper 70s for some spots. The one thing we're not seeing very much, though, is rain. There's maybe a very slight chance for a shower, but you can see through the afternoon, couple showers. This might be for the evening. And here's this next weak front that's going to be approaching. So Thursday evening, mostly cloudy perhaps, and then into Thursday night, maybe a sprinkle or two. This takes us to early Friday. We just get this little front moving in, maybe a couple clouds early in the day, and then it will just bring our temperatures down a little bit for Friday and Saturday. And also we'll look for a bit of a breeze on Friday, eventually becoming northerly. So very slight cool down ahead. Thursday, I have highs near about 76 and breezy with that very slight rain chance. Friday, highs may be closer to 72, and then Saturday will be right around 70, 71, it looks like for the afternoon, and all these days, and Sunday too, looking really pleasant. Looking, by the way, at recent rainfall, rainfall's the one thing we really don't have a lot of expected this week. Looking at what we've gotten lately, though, and I'm going back all the way to December 1st, at the airport we've gotten more than 20 inches of rain. The average over that time period is about 12, so we're running about 9 inches above normal. And checking out our drought monitor map, we have normal non-drought conditions for a lot of our area, including New Orleans and north of the lake. Those spots that we are still seeing some drier than normal conditions are around Homa and Thibodaux and toward the south, toward the coast, and really starting just south of the West Bank. So this is a lot improved over what we saw for many months last year. We had extreme and exceptional drought conditions, so doing a lot better. Also an area of some drier than average soils over in the central part and western part of Louisiana as well. But just getting you updated on that so we can have a few days without so much rain, but eventually we're going to need to get some in the mix, and I'm sure it will be coming. But our 7-day forecast for now looking super dry. Look at Monday. After a beautiful, coolish, almost perfect weekend, Monday and early next week, we may jump all the way to upper 70s again. So I've been saying next week is looking rather warm. We might flirt with that 80-degree mark into the middle of next week. So if you like it cool, enjoy this next stretch of almost perfect, almost spring-like kind of weather.